of the case. In 1984, military and parliamentary activities were conducted directly in and against Nicaragua with the help of the United States and led to the formation of several treaties between the two states. This agreement granted Nicaragua special rights and privilege in regard to trade, transportation, commerce, and access to the U.S. However, between 1927 to 1934, this sparked a revolution in Nicaragua that forced the United States to remove its marine and depart from the country.
Thus, the United States assistance for the Contras constitute a trespass on Nicaragua's sovereignty. Nicaragua argued that United States action in creating Contras and assisting them indirectly in suppressing the Sandinista FSLN movement constitute a blatant intrusion into Nicaragua internal affairs and thus violate the Convention on the Rights and Duty of State. Furthermore, Nicaragua also claimed that United States had violated the international laws of land and sea by way of land, air, and sea, which was an act that also violated several international laws and treaties. Are there any violation of Article 2 of the UN Charter, Article 18 and 20 of the Charter of the Organization of American States, or Article 8 of the Convention on the Rights and Duty of State by United States? Nicaragua argued that United States have enlisted, trained and given weaponry to the recruit in order to cause destruction and incite unrest in Nicaragua, which are clear violation of Article 2(4) of the UN Charter, as the participants avoid using force to undermine any state political independence or territorial integrity. Besides that, it clearly violates Article 18 and 20 of the United States Charter when the US government takes unlawful military actions against Nicaragua, and this is not an act of self-defense. In addition to exerting self-defense, the US denied violating Article 18 of the Organization of American States Charter.
When the court decided to apply customary law in its decisions, the burden fell upon the court itself to make sure that the rules of customary law were relevant to the present case. To conclude that it was, in fact, a customary law, opinion juries and strict practice had to be established. The court, while justifying the decision, state that the conduct of the state should be consistent with the established rules and any inconsistent behavior should be treated as a breach of the rules and not the formation of a new rules. So, a general council of member states is enough to establish opinion juries. This opinion made this judgment a landmark judgment as it went against common practice and belief.